Hello, beautiful people. Andrea Caprio here from Wellness Methods. I have put together for you a really nice list. It's my secret shopping list for beating sugar cravings and weight loss. Now, I want to share this with you, and so you can actually have this list with you all the time when you go shopping. It's a special list because it gives you really some ideas about which sweeteners I actually use, so you can use the same that help beat sugar cravings and also help stabilize your blood sugar. Also, it gives you tips about which oils I use, the dairy replacements actually I have, and really great grains or vegetable proteins. Really to remember is in weight loss and for cravings, it's really important actually to eat a lot of proteins, and I usually would recommend the healthy ones, so also include some vegetable protein. This list has it all. Additionally, I actually have also added a cheat sheet for you. And this cheat sheet gives you the idea where the kind of worst snacks are in and how to replace them with healthier options, because let's face it, we still like snacks. And there's so many healthy snacks actually that are good for you. So no need to deprive yourself. You can just snack in. I have also added a workbook for you. In this whole list, it's all together in one, and you can get it, by the way, here when when you click here on the button. So in this workshop actually helps you to implement these new habits, because it's easy to say, do this, do that, but actually by practicing a healthy habit, I found that my clients really see the success. So you have a little workbook to choose better snacks. And then I also gave you a couple of tips in there for the best supplements to use, because we sometimes need a little bit of help. And I've added CLA, which is really helping a lot with cravings, I found, and with weight loss, and also Gymnema sylvestre, and you should check it out. It's really a great natural supplement actually that helps balancing sugar, blood sugar, and that all helps you with cravings, weight loss, and just feeling better. I see really most people they struggle with blood sugar, not most, but a lot, and once they get that under control, it helps them with so many issues related to inflammation, weight loss, to hormonal health as well, because it's all somehow related together. So eating a healthy diet, controlling your blood sugar, eating lots of fiber, low glycemic index, and protein with a healthy fat is really something I found that helps most of my clients. Check it out, and please let me know what you think, if it helps, how I can support you. Of course, if you want to speak to me, you have some problems, just contact me, and I would love to catch up with you. It's Andrea Caprio. Hope this is helpful, and just you can opt in here and get my healthy sugar cravings list. Cheers, take care.